Hey guys, welcome back. It's Vince with Rudolon Co. We're back at it here at Sporting Valley Sod Farm. Let's get right into it. Let's not waste any time. Let's hear what Matt has to say about this awesome operation and the awesome grass that they grow here. So let's get right into it. Cool. So one other question is, what do you do any ball fields or football stadiums? Do you supply any of those around here, or some that the viewers might know of?
A lot of our sod, you know, we have a sister company, Hummer Turfgrass Systems, that their whole business is sports field contracting, construction, renovation, and maintenance. So, you know, our grass will go to some local high schools. Dover High School, we did a bunch of fields over there last year. Just a lot of different places. And then some of the grass that we bring in, like Hummer does work for Penn State. We've been working for Penn State for 30, 40 years. We just redid Beaver Stadium back in May.
Yep.
But that was what we talked about earlier, a thicker cut sod. So that came from some friends of ours over at Tuckahoe Turf Farms.
Yeah.
And then they're growing a 365, so that's what's in Beaver Stadium. So you get into different situations, like if it's on a sandy root zone, we don't want to put our soil on top of that. As a contractor. That just doesn't make sense. So we'll work with some people that we trust and rely on, like Tuckahoe in those situations, or sometimes it's maybe a Bermuda, you know, on a sports field. But
we'll keep that out of here, though.
Yeah, we keep that away from here. Yeah, we wash that stuff off at the job sites. But yeah, a lot of different places. There's some interesting places we used to do an alpaca show at the farm show arena. That was interesting. They laid these out in the rings for the animals. We've done a lot of wedding venues. Wedding venues have been big around here in the last probably 5-10 years. Again,
everyone with the barn.
Brides don't like mud either.
No, they don't.
There's always some interesting places, and the drivers send you some pictures, some beautiful houses, some cool landscapes. You know, our work with Hummer's taken us different places. You know, stadiums, the Phillies, the Eagles, Penn State.
Eagles are Bermuda.
They're
right?
Bermuda, and then at some points they were switching to blue. I'm not sure what they're up to now. We did the White House last year. We did some work in the Rose Garden. So it's interesting where grass can take you.
Yeah.
You know, golf course work, just different places.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's challenging, but the common thread is all those people want good grass and they want good service, and really that's what we built our reputation on, is 50 years of providing people with good service. We have great people. You know, that's what makes us happen, right? It's good people doing the right things at the right time, and people that care. Without employees and folks working for you that care, you can't do this. And that's what we're built on, is people that can do these things. They could go to the White House and lay grass, lay sod, and grade the Rose Garden and make that perfect at that level, and then the same crew goes to a local high school, or they go to Penn State, and you work with all kinds of people, right? It's interesting in this industry. You know, you meet folks like yourself that are passionate about grass at all different levels, right? And everybody has different knowledge levels and different desires and wants, from golf course superintendent to a stadium manager, and you get in some interesting discussions, right, about grass.
Yeah.
And the good things that grass does, and then the things about grass that make you want to pull the rest of your hair out, right?
Absolutely.
That's what you remember. And now here in the fall, it's kind of you're looking to grow grass, and it's a time of recovery, and then you head to the winter, and then you try it all again. I mean, it's kind of the cyclical nature of our business.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, let's take a look at some of the grass you got going on and some stuff around here.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, let's do it. field golf maintenance stuff. That's a verticutter. Rito disc seeder. It's from overseas. That thing's awesome.
That thing looks awesome.
Yeah. Core
Do you slice seed everything out there, or
not
do you just
here? Unless we have like some scars or something,
Yeah.
seed, but we don't do too much of that because if it's got scars and the rest of the field's so far ahead, it's never going to catch up.
Mm-hmm.
So you just kind of pick around it. That's a lineal aerator, a Shockwave. I don't know if you ever heard of those.
No, I actually haven't.
It's you can see it a little bit better. Well, you can see it there. It's just a knife.
Oh yeah.
That's a lineal trench in the soil. So it's a minor disruption. That's a root pruner. So you can run that along the edge of a golf course fairway and chop tree roots.
Okay.
To keep from the roots sucking up the moisture. Deep tine aerators. And then that's another. You can see the tine's a little bit better.
Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah.
That's just the older. So this is our plow. It's kind of the steps of working soil, working the ground. You get the crop off, and then we'll run a ripper through it. We have that somewhere else. Then we have is a moldboard plow. So not many people are plowing anymore. Yeah, these are pullers, so like when we're trying to turn the trash under, whether it's soybeans that we're plowing down or another cover crop, this kind of cuts it and helps it turn over. So it's a rollover plow. So you're plowing, you get to the end of the row, it rolls it, and then we'll come through with a disc. This is a compact disc. So the discs are tighter spaced, and then the cultipacker is built into the machine, rather than a traditional disc where you have your disc and then you're dragging a packer behind it. And it's a high speed disc, so they want you running it at 7, 8, 10 mile an hour, so that you're getting some throw out of the dirt. And you're kind of beating it around, because we got to get it beat down pretty fine on top to make the thing go. So the way this works, this all folds down, this goes down, then the tires actually fold up over top of the unit and their weight. So it's like a transformer kind of thing.
Yeah. So those flip up onto there. Yeah.
Yeah. So this folds down, so then when you're in the field, you're picking the discs up, and this is kind of you're on your pack. Snow plows. There's a rock picker we use out in the fields. It's kind of like a beach cleaner.
Yeah.
That's where it originated from.
Alright guys, so that's it. That's Sporting Valley Sod Farm. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Special thanks to Matt for letting us come out here. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Again, thank you.
You got it, man. Thanks for coming out.